Alright, so it's May 21st and we are starting to build our robot for physics. So the idea behind what we want to do is we want to make ours very, very cool, and we're going to make it wireless. That's why we're going to make it very, very cool. So one of the first things that we have to determine how it's going to work is how we're going to send information from our computer we got set up here to an Arduino, which you might have already noticed. And so searching on the internet, found the easiest way to do that is to use an FTDI chip. So here is an FTDI chip, which we got from sparkfun.com. It's a really great website. So we've got this FTDI chip, and basically what's going to happen is we are going to send information from our computer to the FTDI chip, and the FTDI chip is going to, the Arduino is going to read that information. So we have two pieces of code that we need to look at. The first one is the Arduino sketch. So the Arduino sketch is right here, and basically what we're doing is it's a very, very simple program where it takes the LED 13, which is the built-in LED on the Arduino board, and then it's going to take another digital input, or it's not a digital input, but a digital pin called 7. We're going to declare it as an input in our setup method here, but basically that's where the FTDI chip is connected to, where we decide to connect it to. The init state is just when we're going to read the state that that pin is in. And so we already talked about the setup, where the LED is going to be an output, which is an LED actually on the Arduino, and the input variable is going to be the input from the FTDI chip. So basically, our loop here says that we're going to read the state from the FTDI chip, so from that pin 17, which we called input, and if that state is high, then we are going to turn on the LED, or else we're going to turn off the LED. And that's it for the Arduino program. Now if we take a look at our Python program, this is what we use to control the FTDI chip. So basically how this came about was when I was making a robot with my cousin. We learned I learned a lot, and this is one of the things that I learned. So this is a Python program. What these variable declarations are all the pins on the FTDI chip, and all we're really concerned with is one, and that one is DCD. And there's nothing really special about it other than the fact that it was the closest one to the board, so that's why I used it. So then here we go, we got this method blink, and basically what that says is it's going to change the current going through the port go, and as we determined before, the port go is going to be equal to the FTDI pin DCD. Okay, so in here what we're doing is we're saying that we're using the BitBang device, which is just a mode that you could put the FTDI chip in, and we're setting up a loop. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take input from the keyboard, and if that input happens to be A, then we're going to change the change the polarity of the DCD output pin. If we press Q, then we're going to exit the Python program. Alright, so then basically all that does is if you press A, then it'll turn the switch, it'll turn the LED on. If the LED is already on, then it'll turn the LED off. So let's try to test out this program. There we go. Okay, so now the program is running. Currently, the LED light is off. Now if we type in A, then enter, our LED light is on. A again, and enter. LED light is off, which is exactly what we expected. Now we'll do it a couple more times because it's so much fun. And that's it. That's what we learned today.